even make these shoes look good.
No. 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 No.
You've been looking for 20 minutes. It's not the ball, it's the bowler.
No. Yes. Hello, Cycloid. Can't let it reach its escape pod.
Gotcha! What the? Next time, let's try backgammon.
I see the cash, then you see the stash.
Therminians must be on a shopping spree, and Zerat is open all night.
Going down exactly like I said, right?
What's with the frisbee?
Papazian centripetal disk radiates concentric circles of subatomic energy.
So it's a deal? You'll clear up that little loan thing with Marty the Mamalaka?
After we make the bust.
Then open the door. If Zerat recognizes me, my forwarding address will be the pet cemetery.
No time.
MIB!
I'll take the Therminians.
Frank the Pug.
Huh?
We can do this the easy way or the hard way. They always pick the hard way.
What's up?
I assume Zerat's not in custody.
Where do you want the lawn ornaments, Chief?
Weapon smuggling's no laughing matter, son. I want to know who's at the top of this food chain, pronto.
Thought it was that Zerat dude.
Two-bit hood couldn't sneak snow into the Arctic. Somebody's pulling his strings.
Zerat, please. Pleasure always comes before business. Although when I am out 24 Papazian centripetal discs and my fee, that does not aid my digestion.
That stoolie Frank tipped off the MIB. I'll plug the pug next time I see him.
Not so fast. Frank may be of some use to us.
You know the drill, Pug. Check your suit.
Only 'cause you asked so nicely.
Let me guess. Table for one.
The usual.
Sorry, Frank. We're all out of toilet bowls.
Should have just used your face. I'll have what he's having, and we'll both take it in a glass. That is, if you can handle it.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Veronica, and you're...
In heaven. Frank.
So, what's your cover here, Frank?
Publishing, you?
Sales. Speaking of which, gotta run. Sorry.
Oh, wait, will I see you again?
It's a small galaxy.
Jeeves and Zurat used to move Tongwa 22s together. He'll know something.
Looks like we missed the party. Where's Jeeves?
Splatter's fresh.
I'm on it.
Coast is clear, Jeeves.
Ooh, I'm gonna be sore tomorrow.
Whoa!
Who used you to spackle the walls, Jeeves?
You try and run a reputable business.
Zurat being antisocial again.
Why'd he strong-arm you, Jeeves?
Weapons! Clean me out! Doing it to everybody. Wants to show who's boss.
So, who's boss?
I don't know.
A name, or I give these walls a second coat of you.
Jeff Corgusto!
Pisces. Romance is in the air, but hearts worn on the sleeve are easily broken.
Publishing business isn't as glamorous as I imagined.
Veronica?
Told you it was a small galaxy. I was wondering if you were free for dinner tonight.
I think I could squeeze you in.
Wear your best collar. Pick you up at 8. I think that mangy mongrel gave me fleas. You owe me big time for this.
Once we get what we need from Frank, he won't be bothering you or anyone ever again.
Jay! I gotta talk to you.
Hey, watch the threads, Cujo.
I need your expertise. I got a date.
You?
You're the only one who can help me. Please. Look, I'm begging you. Try not to drool, chew, don't gulp. Remember, fire hydrants are for official use only. What about the GK?
GK.
Good night kiss. How do I, you know.
You're on your own for that one, Romeo.
Come on.
Just close your eyes, pucker up, and smooch.
Like this?
No. You gotta mean it.
I hate to intrude, but we're back on the clock, Slick. Twins came up with an alien gang who fit the profile, the Pazims. You and I are playing dress-up. Forget about him, Frank. He'll only break your heart.
Technology from 9 different galaxies, and MIB still can't make an alien suit that doesn't itch.
Steady, sport. We don't convince this gang we're the new Pazims on the block. An itch will be the least of your worries.
You're just so different from anyone I've met before. And you're not like those pretty boys I usually date.
You know, this disguise comes in handy. On the side, I do a little freelancing for MIB.
You're a man in black? How exciting!
Oh, it's nothing really.
What case are you working on now?
Well, just between you and me, I'm about to crack a huge weapons smuggling operation. Got a couple of my best agents on it as we speak.
You know what I'd like to do right now? Take a tour of MIB headquarters.
You read my mind.
What's going on?
Head jousting. It's the way all Pazim warriors prove themselves worthy. You're up, Slick. Don't blow our cover.
Huh? Did I win?
You did fine, Slick. Hardhead came in handy. Time to play follow the leader.
What are you doing here, Frank? Cafeteria's closed.
Yeah, they just love the Raspy. We're like family. Hey, Janelle, this is Veronica, my date.
Really? You do know we give free eye exams.
Yeah, better keep moving.
Psychological counseling, too.
Whoa, Frank.
She's a tall mocha latte.
You two make quite a pair.
Yeah, Beauty and the Beast.
Ooh, what's behind these?
The vault. Storeroom where MIB keeps all of their top secret technology, seizures, stuff like that.
Think you could show me?
Sorry. You know, only a few monkey bucks have the access code.
No way to blast it. Reinforced titanium.
That must be where my Papizian discs are being held, as well as who knows what other goodies. Get me that code.
I hate this job.
Zorad at 3 o'clock. Deal must be going down. I think they may be onto us. Don't they know imitation is the sincerest form of flattery? Hey, I put a deposit down on this. It's gotta be the shoes.
Catch of the day.
How'd the Pizims bust our cover?
They didn't. We have a rodent problem at MIB.
Rats?
A mole.
That's it. That's the spot.
Oh, Frankie. I'm so happy. But we should get out of this rat race. Find our own little tropical paradise, run along the shore hand in hand. Of course, dreams take money. A lot of money.
Check for ticks, will you?
I've been thinking about all that high-tech equipment just sitting in the MIB vault. If we hawked a few on the black market, we could live happily ever after. Just you and me and the coastline. With your position at MIB, I bet you could just slip in, get us the access code, and we'd be on a plane before anyone even missed us.
Have you gone rabid? I'd get life on a Schlossworth farm. I can't do that kind of time on a desert planet. I got hyperactive sweat glands. And anyway, I'm not a turncoat.
I'm sure you're right, Frankie. It's probably not worth the risk. Although, you might want to ask yourself, who can make you happier? MIB or ME?
Bob, we're in position. Deactivate security measures.
Did you get the code?
If I didn't know better, I'd think you wanted that code more than me.
Trust me, there's no comparison.
Our ticket to paradise.
Where? Got it.
It's a little late for company, isn't it?
You set me up, Pug.
Veronica, does this mean we're not going to live happily ever after?
I will. You won't.
Wait! The code's no good unless someone can get you past the front gate.
Cross me and I'll have you for dinner. Literally. Move out.
Frank?
What are you waiting for? Didn't I mention those?
Bingo.
Not quite.
I saw you leave.
Well, Slick, I think we've done our hello, Idaho, shiny.
Quick clone, Scaleface.
Say hello to the future of law enforcement.
If you can't hold your tongue, I'll just have to hold it for you.
It appears we have worn out our welcome.
You're gonna be styling in stripes.
Prison gruel, morning, noon, and night.
No!
Frankie, you gotta believe me. Javcor made me do it, all of it. We can still make us work.
No sale, sister. To the pound, boys. And you're a lousy kisser. Not bad. I can explain everything.
Forget it, Frank. Once we realized what was happening, we spoon-fed you the code.
You are playing me too? I feel so used.
Shake it off, Frank. Everybody knows love makes you do strange things. Well, almost everybody.